There is a Republican-controlled county in Arizona. That is Cochise County, or it may be pronounced goat cheese. It's not completely clear to me. And they are refusing to certify the election. As the Associated Press is reporting, Republican officials in a rural Arizona county refused yesterday to certify the 2022 election. Here we go again. It's the same stuff. This is the sequel, my friends. A decision that was quickly challenged in court by the state's top election official. Now, I want to make an important distinction here. Steve Bannon and some others, when it comes to 2020, continue to talk about decertification. We have to decertify the election. There is no such process. It doesn't exist. This here is a different situation where they are saying, let's not certify. Certification is indeed a process. And the Secretary of State, Katie Hobbs, is the Democratic candidate who won and will be the governor. She has asked a judge to order county officials to canvass the election, which she said is an obligation under the law. So there's a couple different things going on here. And of course, no matter what is going on, these right-wingers will come up with some reason why they are actually correct and everything is absolutely right that they want to do when they want to do it. But anytime there's a different perspective, then it must be somebody who's doing something wrong. It's fraud. It's whatever the case is going to be. The practice that they are getting here is to refuse to certify a federal election. It's important to understand that these are always trial balloons for the next thing. And refusing to certify a state election at the county level is a trial for a state refusing to certify a federal election at the state level. If this were to happen, or in any way, even a fraction of it were to happen, they would use it as precedent for the future. That's number one. Secondly, this isn't legal, okay? It is absolutely correct to go to court to try to force certification. And these are folks who have been given a duty, a task. An election has taken place, the ballots have been counted, now you have to certify. There is no analogy to Bannon saying, well, there's a duty to decertify. Decertification isn't a thing. These elected officials have no duty to decertify elections. You're put in a certain position, County Board of Elections, you have to certify. They're not doing it. It's a legal issue. That's why they're going to court. Now, I know where they are going to ultimately find the certificate, and it's going to be, of course, in Hunter Biden's laptop or on Hillary Hard Drive's emails, right? No. I believe that the grounds here that they are claiming are, of course, completely imaginary. This is going to be certified, and then they are going to say, this is proof that they stole it because they came in and forced us to certify something that shouldn't have been certified. Of course, it's simply their job to certify. This is still potentially very dangerous because almost no matter what ultimately happens with this attempt not to certify, they are going to say, well, here's the next thing that now we have to do at the next election, which happens to be 2024 presidential, where Arizona, along with a handful of other states, could determine who's the next president of the United States. Very scary stuff.